This is September the 30th, 2016. In this area here, I am going to build a worm bed. Notice that the area is shaded and it stays in the shade throughout most of the day, keeping the sun off the worms that don't like the light. They can't stand the heat. I'm going to use cinder blocks. I bought quite a collection of them to build this bed. We'll build it at least 2 layers high. Dig down into the ground just a little bit. I'm going to lay underneath it. I'm going to lay some hardware cloth. Hardware cloth has certainly been misnamed. Why in the world I call it hardware cloth, I do not know. But as you can see, it's these little squares, metal fencing. It's not cloth at all. And I'll use this to put underneath the bed to keep moles and such things out. Over the top of it, I will build put some of that insulated styrofoam board and lay over some plywood to keep it protected. I'm going to put a separator halfway through, so on one end I have my more mature worms, and I'll throw the little cocoons over. Got a beautiful place here if you happen to have to be a worm or a worm farmer. As you can see, there's the fields of soy out from the place. This is in rural East Tennessee. As I make this along, I'll be adding video showing you the finished product and then showing you how the worms are doing. I've raised red wigglers for a little over 8 years. I've never made a bed this big, so we'll see how it goes. I'm hoping to be able to increase production. We sell these on eBay, $12 for 300 plus shipping. They are very useful. Red wigglers are for the castings they produce. They're good composting worms. They can handle temperatures high and low better than any other worm. They're not a very big worm. They can be used for fishing. They can be used for putting in your plants to aerate the soil. Let's see how it goes.